Experience powerful cooking performance wherever adventure takes you. When it comes to choosing the top 5 best outdoor burner, reliability and heat output matter most. This burner delivers steady flames, fast boiling, and rugged durability, perfect for camping, tailgating, or backyard cooking sessions. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. Gas One Outdoor Burner. The Gas One Outdoor Burner is designed for anyone who wants a reliable and powerful cooking system during outdoor adventures, and it shows that strength from the moment you fire it up. Built specifically for outdoorsmen, this burner focuses on durability, stability, and safe operation, making it a strong fit for camping trips, tailgating sessions, fishing days, hunting camps, or backyard gatherings. The high-output propane burner delivers a steady, continuous flame, which means cooking is not only faster but also more predictable, especially when boiling large pots or frying heavy meals. One major advantage is the burner's ability to maintain an even flame without burning food, something many budget burners struggle with. Gas One also includes enhanced safety features such as a top heat guard that prevents oil spillage from hitting sensitive parts and a bottom heat shield that protects both surfaces and components from heat damage. This builds a layer of confidence while cooking heavy meals outdoors. The burner head itself is made of cast iron, meaning it can handle high temperatures, heavy cookware, and long-term use without warping or weakening. The metal frame feels sturdy, stable, and well-balanced. Another highlight is the high-quality hose assembly, which ensures consistent gas output and long-lasting performance. While the burner is a single-unit system, it performs powerfully enough to handle demanding cooking setups. Number 2. Camp Chef Outdoor Burner. The Camp Chef Outdoor Burner is built for campers, caterers, and outdoor cooking enthusiasts who want a complete camp kitchen feel without sacrificing convenience or performance. Camp Chef is already a trusted name, and this burner stays true to that reputation with a setup that is both sturdy and versatile. Designed to support Camp Chef's 14-inch system accessories, this burner gives users the freedom to customize their cooking surface by adding griddles, grill boxes, pizza ovens, and more. It's an ideal choice for anyone who likes to prepare a wide variety of meals outdoors. With 448 square inches of cooking space, the burner easily handles group meals, family gatherings, and outdoor events. The 3-sided windscreen is especially useful because it helps maintain a consistent flame when cooking in windy conditions, something that can ruin many outdoor cooking sessions. The heat adjustment knobs feel smooth and responsive, allowing users to fine-tune the flame with the same precision they'd expect from a kitchen stove. The build quality is another strong point. Camp Chef products are known for durability, and this burner follows suit with a frame and burners that can handle heavy cookware and frequent use. Unlike many outdoor burners that focus only on power, Camp Chef balances heat and control, ensuring even cooking results whether you're boiling, grilling, or frying. Number 3. ROVSUN Outdoor Burner. The ROVSUN Outdoor Burner is a high-powered choice for users who want serious heat output paired with convenience and portability. Featuring a total of 150,000 BTU, split into 2 burners with 75,000 BTU each, this model offers impressive performance for large meals, boiling seafood, frying chicken, cooking with woks, or preparing meals for bigger groups. Each burner comes with individual knobs for precise heat control, making it easy to adjust the flame based on the type of cooking you're doing. The 20 PSI CSA-listed regulator ensures that the flame stays stable and efficient, giving you consistent control even during long cooking sessions. One of the strongest advantages of the ROVSUN burner is how quickly it can be transported. With detachable legs that can be removed in minutes, it becomes easy to load into a vehicle for tailgating, camping, or outdoor events. Despite this portability, the build quality remains excellent. The cast iron construction makes the burner capable of handling heavy pots, high temperatures, and rugged use. This durability makes it a dependable outdoor stove for boiling seafood, preparing stews, cooking chilies, or hosting backyard cookouts. Another appealing feature is the straightforward setup process. The unit requires no tools for assembly, allowing users to start cooking almost immediately. Its height is comfortable, fitting adult users without forcing them to bend excessively. Whether you're hosting a crawfish boil, steaming crabs, frying large batches of food, or preparing outdoor meals for groups, the ROVSUN Outdoor Burner offers a mix of high output, durability, and easy portability. Number 4. ARC Advanced Royal Champion Outdoor Burner. The ARC Advanced Royal Champion Outdoor Burner is built for users who require extremely high heat capacity and performance for large batch cooking. Delivering an impressive 200,000 BTU, this burner is ideal for heavy-duty tasks such as boiling seafood, frying large quantities, steaming oversized pots, or supporting commercial-style cooking outdoors. Its cast iron burner head and all-welded metal frame speak directly to its durability, making it capable of supporting pots from 30 to 100 quarts without losing stability. The compact 16.5-inch design provides a strong and steady base while keeping the burner portable enough for outdoor gatherings. One of the standout features of this burner is its efficient blue flame technology. Engineered airflow ventilation enhances combustion efficiency, allowing faster heating while saving fuel. This makes it a smart pick for users who value speed and heat control. The burner also includes a tall windscreen that protects the flame from strong breezes, an essential feature when cooking large meals outdoors. Safety is enhanced through a CSA-certified 20 psi regulator and a steel-braided 47-inch hose, ensuring consistent gas flow and secure connections. For added convenience, ARC includes a spanner and hook for safe propane tank attachment. Number 5. OuterMust Outdoor Burner. The OuterMust Outdoor Burner is a well-rounded choice for outdoor cooks who want strong heat output, portability, and safety in one practical unit. With 85,000 BTU of cooking power, this burner heats quickly and can handle boiling, frying, steaming, and stir-frying with ease. Its four-welded support structure gives the burner solid stability, making it suitable for different cookware like woks, skillets, griddles, steamer pots, and turkey fryers. The cast iron construction ensures durability, oil resistance, and longevity even when used frequently outdoors. The burner features double-ring dense holes, which help maintain strong, stable flames for efficient cooking. Safety is another area where this burner performs well. The CSA-certified 0 to 10 psi regulator allows users to adjust pressure safely, and the manual ignition system gives full control of when the burner ignites. The adjustable knob makes it easy to fine-tune the flame, giving cooks the level of control needed for anything from quick searing to slow simmering. One of the biggest advantages of the OuterMust burner is its portability. Weighing only 13 pounds, it's easy for a single adult to move, making it perfect for camping trips, tailgates, backyard cooking sessions, and outdoor celebrations. Despite its lightweight build, it remains stable and reliable during cooking. Its simple design makes operation straightforward, and setup requires almost no effort. Whether you're frying a turkey, cooking seafood, or preparing stir-fry outdoors, this burner delivers dependable performance. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.